How to update your profile details in Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, we're in the settings interface. Basically, this is the place where you can edit and have different options. Here on the top, there's a section of enter details. Simply tap on enter details. So this is the place where you can customize all your personal data. Here you can write your name and add your date of birth. So basically Blinkit does provide only this to data. Later you can even change your addresses right here from the address book, and at last you can simply go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.